I work for Project Peanut Butter, and we are a small nonprofit, and we run production facilities of ready-to-use therapeutic food in Africa. It's a food that's used to treat severely malnourished children.
Gradually, it grew from making ready-to-use therapeutic food in a little mixer in a small room in the hospital to having this factory in Malawi. And from there, we expanded into Sierra Leone and then now into Mali.
We have a team of about 30 volunteers working on Project Peanut Butter, but to make this happen, what you're seeing today probably took, I don't know, up to maybe 75 people, and it's really the generosity of all the people that made this come to life, that work at Riverside and also at JFB.
Between the General Mills engineers and Anderson Dahlen and everyone at Partners in Food Solutions, they came up with a feasible, simple processing machine like the one behind us to create ready-to-use therapeutic food in the most economic way.
It's exciting because our process team has designed a super efficient processing line to manufacture the RUTF. They worked with a local engineering firm, Anderson Dahlen, to design this new line.
It was a little bit difficult for General Mills and myself because we're used to completely automated systems. We really had to take a step back and focus on customer need.
The process that they were currently using in Mali was inefficient, and we had the capability, being the company that we are, to improve their efficiencies and try to save them some money.
Unexpected things happen all the time, and so we are all flexible, we're all trained to think, and so by working with our teams and by working with the tools that we have, we're able to accomplish whatever we need to get done.
We essentially reduced the amount of time that it takes to mix this product. The key issues that we had to overcome was identifying a grinder and a grinding technology that could take a peanut, which is a very large product, and grind it to a very fine product in a single step.
We're in the process of testing the line to make sure it produces good product.
It's a full-scale test of the equipment so that if they have any questions or concerns, we can address them before they take the equipment and install it in Mali.
My husband Andrew and I are actually the ones that are going to be using this machine in Mali, so we're here to kind of get an idea of how it works and learn how to use it, learn how to take it apart, put it back together, all the things that we'll need to be able to do in Mali.
This is what I would consider a huge investment by General Mills to give us the capacity to do this work for this group in Mali.
You get to take an idea and develop it and actually turn it into a piece of equipment, and that piece of equipment is actually going out to help people in the world and solve some hunger problems.
A lot of people were willing to drop everything and help us make this thing a reality, and I very much enjoyed that process.
This has been awesome. I personally love volunteering in general. It's a passion of mine, and so when I heard about this, even from the beginning of when it was still, I think, science and technology transfer, I mean, it was just one of those things like, I could actually do that, I could help.
We'd like to give a big shout out to our donors for the ingredients to make this testing possible. I'd like to credit our Partners in Food Solutions partners. Cargill donated the palm oil, DSM donated the vitamin mineral premix, the United States Peanut Council donated the peanuts, Caravan Ingredients donated the emulsifier, and the United States Dairy Export Council donated the non-fat dry milk.
The best thing about being part of this project was seeing the RUTF come out of the end of that tube out there, looking perfect. You don't know how long that's taken us in some of the other places we're working, and to be able to do that here at General Mills with their help, I mean, these engineers are some of the best at what they do in the world, and so every hour that we get to spend here with them working on this line, I mean, it just saves us weeks, if not months, in the field in Africa.